Number 26, this is placing a urinary catheter in a male cat. We have our patient here. It is a cadaver, so I will actually be placing the catheter. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get urine from him though, because he has been urinating since he's passed. So, but I will still complete the steps for collecting the urine. So I have everything I need right here. I have a red rubber catheter, 3.5. I have the gloves for me to put on. I have some scrub for scrubbing the penis. I have sterile lube. I have a syringe for collecting the urine. I have a needle to put on the syringe after it's collected to put into the tube to send out to the lab. So what I could do is first, so he's already restrained in dorsal recumbency, so right now I'm just going to kind of measure the tube of how far it's going to go in. So to do that, we can palpate to where the bladder is, which is in this area right here. And then so the tube is going to go like this, up and back, and then to the bladder. So I'm going to kind of just keep in mind that it's going to be about probably in this area right here to reach the bladder. So I'll just kind of keep that in mind. And then now I'll go ahead and put my gloves on, or open my gloves. And I can put my syringe on here. And I'll put some sterile lube on here for lubricating the catheter. And now I'll go ahead and put my gloves on using the open gloving technique.
No, chocolate. When she was on hold earlier, and now she's like upset because we weren't able to get to her. Oh yeah, happy birthday.
Okay, so now that I have my gloves on, she's going to go ahead and take the catheter out for me. And now I'm not going to touch anything else, now that we're all sterile, and anything that's not sterile. So she's going to take the penis out for me. This is the part where you can zoom in. And I'm going to get a sterile chlorhexidine scrub. And just scrub without touching anything. And now I'll lubricate. You can show this too. I'll lubricate the catheter without touching anything. And with the penis exposed, I'll go ahead and pass the catheter. Okay, so now the catheter is passed. So I'm going to feed it to about where my measurement was. which was about right here. So then what I do is I go ahead and take the syringe, attach it to the catheter, and like I said, I don't really know if there's going to be any urine in the bladder because he has been urinating, but there is. So we'll go ahead and collect our sample. I'll detach the syringe from the catheter. Put on my needle and then let the vacuum collect the sample. And then now I can write the name of the patient, which is Henry, and the date. And then this is going to go straight into the fridge to be sent out to the lab. And then now we can gently pull out our catheter, very slowly and gently. And that is placing a male cat urinary catheter.